Hi everyone, this is page 47, number 5. It says, Ricardo wants to find the distance from his house to the library. Here's his house, and there's the library. His distance from his house to the library is 3 times the distance from his house to the school. So here we go. This is a good picture for that. And his house to the library is 3 times from his house to the school. So here's the house to the school. Here's 1 time over here. Here's 2 times over here. And here's 3 times over here. So whatever is distance from the house to the school, it's 3 times to the library. What is the distance from Ricardo's house to the school? And what is the distance between his house and the library? So you want to find out the distance from the house to the school, and then you want to find the distance from his house to the library. And what you do recognize from this picture over here is that while I don't know how far it's from the house to the school, I do know that the school to the library is 360 meters. All right, or 360, probably meters. Now, I want to figure out how much these individual jumps are. And if I know this part right here, if that's 360 and I am breaking that in half, that means what I'm doing is I'm taking 360 and I'm going to split it in half, or I'm dividing that by 2. All right, so 360 divided by 2, that's going to give me, and I'm really taking 36 and breaking it in half, that's going to give me 180. So I know that each jump is 180 meters long, which means this jump over here is 180 meters long as well. So what is the distance from Ricardo's house to the school? Well, the house to the school is 180 meters. And the distance between this house and the library, well, the house and the library, if I know this is 360 and that's 180, I'm going to put that together. 360 plus 180. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 8 is 14, carry the 1. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 1 more is 5. So I know the distance between the house and the library is 540 meters. Let's move on to number 6, page 48. A butcher has a large piece of beef. So here's his beef. Put a B for beef. He cuts and sells 6 portions. All right. So I'm going to cut and sell 6 of these portions. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each has a mass of 10 kilograms. All right, so each one of them has 10 kilograms. Here's 10 over here. 10, 10, 10, 10, and 10. He has 2 kilograms left. All right, so if I cut and sell 6, I'm going to end up with 2 left. I'm going to put a little 2 more over here. I'll put that in a different color. All right. Find the total mass of beef the butcher had at first. So I want this whole thing at first. So I know that I am cutting and selling 6 portions with a mass of 10 each. So over here, I'm going to put this in purple. Here, I know I'm counting my 10s, or really I'm doing 6 portions of 10, or 6 groups of 10, which I know it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, which is 60 kilograms. Then I have 2 left, so I'm going to add that 2 in there. So 60 plus 2, and that's going to give me 62 kilograms to start. Okay, number 7. There is 141 milliliters of water in a mug. All right, I'm going to draw a mug. And I have 141 milliliters. Rachel spills 45 milliliters of water from the mug. So I'm going to spill, take some out, 45 milliliters from the mug. She then pours the remaining water into 4 equal cups. So once I spill it, I had it full. I'm going to spill this, which means I have this left. Oops. Which means I have this part left, which I don't know how much that is. But I'm going to pour this remaining water into 4 equal cups. So 1 cup, 2 cups, 3 cups, 4 cups. How much water is in each cup? So I want to figure out how much water is in these cups right here, in each cup. All right, so let's first figure out how much water I poured in. So I know that if I have 141 or 141 milliliters and I spill some water out, 45, I'm taking it away. So 141 minus 45. And that's going to figure out how much water I had left, which is the red. All right, I can't do 1 minus 5, so I'm going to take 1 away, add 10 more. 4 becomes a 3, and that 1 becomes an 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. 3 minus 4, I can't do it. Got to regroup again. Take 1 away, add 10 more. So 13 minus 4 is 9. So now I know that I have 96 milliliters of water. Then I'm going to pour the 96 milliliters of water into 4 equal cups. And I know that if I'm splitting up or from breaking things into a group, I know I am dividing, or 96 divided by 4. All right, so 4 can go into 9 2 times. Leaves me with 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. Drop down to 6, 16. 16 divided by 4 is 4, which is 16, which means I have nothing left over. So I know I have 24 in each cup. So it says how much water is in each cup. I know my answer there is 24 milliliters. All right, and that's page 48.